Start your day with a delicious and healthy granola bar recipe using fresh ingredients from Auroville.com. Healthy and vegan doesn't mean you have to sacrifice taste. Check out the list of ingredients you'll need in the description below. Let's start by heating up the oven to 175 Celsius. Chop and mix your nuts, seeds and oats in a separate pan, and start to toast them for about 5 to 10 minutes, until lightly browned. Now it's time to start mixing the gooey stuff. Mix the butter, honey, brown sugar, and salt into a pot and bring to a simmer, and cook until the sugar dissolves. Then in a large bowl mix the toasted seeds, nuts and oats, with the gooey stuff, until everything is nicely covered. At this point you can add chocolate chips, dried fruit, or whatever your sweet tooth is craving. Once this is done, pour and spread your granola mix into a lightly greased pan, and press it down firmly. The more you press and pat, the more likely you will end up with granola bars, and not a pile of crunchy granola itself. Now let's bake for about 20 to 30 minutes, until it's golden around the edges, then take it out, loosen from the pan, and let it cool for about 5 minutes. At this point, you can use a sharp knife or kitchen tool of your choice to cut into squares or bars while they are still in the pan. Now you have a tasty, healthy snack for breakfast when you're on the go. Leave us a comment on how your recipe turned out, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.